राम राम नमस्कार। मैं शैलेंद्र कुमार मिश्रा हूँ। आई एम फ्रॉम पुरी। माय नेम इज श्री शैलेंद्र कुमार मिश्रा। आई हैव come here to speak in English only. We know English very well, but we are unable to speak in English. Is a hard thing for us due to want of practice, want of mane abhav. Due to want of practice and confidence, now we are unable to speak. Though we know different types of words, sentences, phrasal verbs, noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, tense also, but we are not able to speak in English perfectly or correctly or fluently. It is not a great thing for a person to speak in English because he knows many things. From his childhood up to matriculation, he has learnt much of words. Side by side, use of words also. He knows how to write essay, punctuation, analysis, different types of exercise he has done at the time of schooling. But when we come to the college, we somehow not able to focus on our English structure. So that from college, when we were in school, we are obedient and regular about our study. But when we join in college, we always neglect our study. Most of students are doing such type of things at the time of college when they are enter into the college. So that it is not a great thing for a student. You may be a child or you may be in school, those who are watching this video, but they know more things about English, but they don't know how to speak. So that I have come here to give some lessons or to give some tips or to give some examples on the basis of which they could able to speak in English perfectly. When I was in first class, I had no that much of confidence to speak, because at the time of speaking English, our mind works WRKS, works speedily. He tried to make sentences in English and deliver to you to speak. It is the way to speak English. So that we have to give some exercises to the mind, to our mind, to improve the standard of mind. When the standard of my mind improves, then will be easier to us to speak in English. So that we have to exercise regularly in English, which we are doing here. And in the first class I was fearing, I had no that much of a confidence, but after completing 19th class, it is 20th class of spoken English. Now I have got some confidence on the basis of which I am just speaking in English. Perhaps which English I am speaking, it is more or less many sentences are right, and some some sentences may be wrong. You may be wrong, I may be wrong at the time of speaking, that does not matter. So that be confident and always try to speak in English, and you always think about English. It is our introduction, we have already over. Then we will come to our tense chart. We have already read about tense types. One is present, and from the present tense, past starts, and future is the unknown. Future is very unknown to us. So that these are the three types of tense, and every tense has four categories. One is indefinite, second is continuous, third is perfect, and fourth is perfect continuous. If you will speak accordingly, first is present indefinite. I do the work, ମୁଁ କାମଟି କରେ. I am doing the work, present continuous. ମୁଁ କାମଟି କରୁଅଛି. In present continuous, but we are saying that କାମ କରାଯାଉଅଛି. ତାମାନେ ମୁଁ ଏଠି ଠିଆ ହେଉଛି. ଏଇଟା ବଦଳରେ ଆମେ ତାକୁ କହିବା ମୁଁ ଏଠି ଠିଆ ହେଇଛି, ମାନେ I am standing here. Present continuous. And present ମୁଁ କାମଟି କରିଅଛି. I have done the work. Present perfect continuous, I have been doing the work. I have been doing the work. In these are the four sentences from present tense, which are based upon active voice. We will come to passive voice. Then ମୋ ଦ୍ୱାରା କାମଟି କରାଯାଏ. The work is done by me. It is present indefinite. And present continuous, the work is being done by me. There is in active voice sentence, the work, I am doing the work. The work is, and present perfect passive voice is, the work has been done by me. Then past tense. In past tense, everything is past. In our ଅତୀତ, ଯାହାକୁ ଅତୀତ କହନ୍ତି, ଅତୀତ କାଳ, past tense. ମୁଁ କାମ କଲି, I did the work. In passive voice, the work was done by me. Continuous, past continuous, passive voice, the work is being done by me. Then perfect, past perfect. ମୁଁ କାମ କରିଥିଲି, I had done the work. The work had been done by me. Then past perfect continuous. I had been doing the work. There is no passive voice of this sentence. Then we will come to future tense, future time. I will do the work, ମୁଁ କାମ କରିବି. The work will be done by me, passive. First was the active voice and the second is passive voice. Only one sentence. Then ମୁଁ କାମ କରୁଥିବି, ଉଥିବି. I will be doing the work. Then ମୁଁ କାମ କରିଥିବି, perfect. I will have done the work. Perfect continuous, I will have been doing the work. These are the 19 sentences from the tense, 12 sentences from active voice, and 7 sentences from passive voice. And again I am saying to you that please remember these sentences. Besides these sentences, there are many sentences also we will learn later on in future, but first of all we have to remember these 19 words, 19 sentences. By using that sentences, we can frame a sentence and able to speak. So that to develop our spoken standard, as we are from Oriya medium, so that tense is required for this. Without tense we can't move, and when we speak, when we will be able to speak in English, at that time you may not remember thoroughly. The mind will supply you according to your choice. That step we will touch in future. That step will come when mind will produce only right correct sentence according to the tense. We may remember, we or may not, but as all the sentences your mind, so that it is his duty to give the perfect sentences which requires according to our demand. So that tense is to remember for all, otherwise we can't go. Now we are just walking, we are just not walking, we are trying to walk, and then we will run. The time will come, for every person the time will come faster. He will try to walk, then he will run in future. The time will come, we have to wait up to that, and we have to maintain that. In every day we have to speak anything, any type of problem, and how to solve that problem. We should think in our mind, otherwise we can't get the different types of sentences to speak. This topic is from tense, just we have covered it. Then we will go to our chapter. According to chapter, we have already read अनुमति सूचक वाक्य, permission, अनुमान सूचक वाक्य, prediction, and now we are continuing अनुरोध सूचक वाक्य, request. We have to request to do something for us. When we request means request to others. I am requesting a person to give me a pen. I am requesting to Ravi to give his pen to me, that I have some work to write on the paper. So that it is a request. And request part 3, in the last class we have read the polite. आम अनुरोध करुचे कि पोलाइट भाव जोटा कि नम्रता नम्र भाव जिते नम्र आप तेणु ये आउ टे नम्र हाँ पड़ो आमको पोलाइटनेस पोलाइट बिहेवियर देवा पड़ो सबू वाक्य आप कुड विल लगे पारे क्या कैनटा सदा परमिशन पे लगे हुए ये भी कैन लगी पार वी कैन ऑल्सो यूज कैन बट at the time of getting permission or giving permission we always use the modal verb can. Here we can also use the modal verb can, but a sentence from request chapter, so that here we should use could will. If you will use can, then the sentence will be correct, but it is grammatically wrong, grammatically is not good. So that at the time of these sentences we have to use could or will or would. We can use ମୋତେ ଟିକେ ତୁମ ବହିଟି ଦିଅ. Would you please give me your book? Question mark ଲାଗିଲା. ଏଇଟା ବି ଆମେ ଏମିତି କହିପାରିବା ମୋତେ ଟିକେ ବହିଟି ଦିଅ. प्लीज गिव मी योर बुक आम इंटरोगेटिव सेंटेंस कलेनि कि इंटरोगेटिव सेंटेंस जो आम करुचे से आउ टे पोलाइट आप गोटे ग्लास गोटे आप भद्रलोक मो जाइए गोटे ऑफिस जाइए ग्लास ऑफ वाटर थुआई टेबुल से आप कहूना मु मत पानी दिंतु प्लीज गिव ए ग्लास ऑफ वाटर से आप कहे कैन आई टेक द ग्लास ऑफ वाटर प्लीज और would I take the glass of water जब आम क्वेश्चन इंटरोगेटिव सेंटेंस से आउ टे नम्रता आमर आसे से तुम्हें टिके रास्ता देखाई दियो would you please show him the way माने would you माने तुम्हें दयाकोरी कि रास्ता देखेवाटा ये कहला ना तुम्हें रास्ता टे देखे दियो यू प्लीज शो द वे यहाँ आफर्मेटिव सेंटेंस हो पोलाइटनेस कम रोचे गोटे ऑर्डर भाया आमको लगुच सतरा मुझे ऑर्डर दूसरी कि ये जगह रिक्वेस्ट कर मैंने आम निजपी किसी मागुचे से रिक्वेस्ट कला इंटरोगेटिव सेंटेंस शट द डोर वुड यू लाइक टू एबल टू शट द डोर आर यू रेडी टू शट द डोर तेणु से आम इंटरोगेटिव लगेले से सुविधा हम इंटरोगेटर आउ टे नम्रता आनी से तुम्हें टिके साहाय्य कर वुड यू हेल्प देम प्लीज किंतु तुम्हें से साहाय्य कर आम साधारण कहले प्लीज हेल्प देम आम कह प्लीज हेल्प देम माने आप गोटे आदेश देली कि सेमती आदेश आप नो आई कैंट मु हेल्प कर मोर कौन दरकार आप कह तुम्हें मत किसी टंका धार दियो वुड यू लेंड सम मनी प्लीज तुम्हें मत अल्प समय पाई तुम साइकिल टी दियो वुड यू गिव मी योर बाइसाइकेल फॉर ए मोमेंट एठी आमे ताको अनुरोध करुचे आम आदेश दौने तुम्हें मत गोटे बही दियो यू प्लीज गिव मी ए बुक यहाँ आम कहीदे पार कि आम से नक कहे वुड यू गिव मी ए बुक प्लीज आउ टे नम्रता आम देखले आपण मत किसी टंका धार दिंतु वुड यू लेंड मी ए सम ऑफ मनी प्लीज मु मैनेजर सहित कथा हो पारि कि कुड आई स्पीक टू मैनेजर प्लीज आप गोटे ऑफिस जाइए मैनेजर ऑफिस भीतर बस आप जो अच्छा स्टाफ बाहर गार्ड से आप पचार कुड आई स्पीक टू मैनेजर सी आपन को प्लीज कला से आपको हाँ कहीपर वेट फॉर 5 minutes द मैनेजर इज बिजी इन ए मीटिंग आफ्टर दैट मीटिंग आई विल कॉल यू प्लीज वेट सम टाइम गोटे कप चा मिल पार कि गोटे कप चा मिल कि मिल कुड आई और कैन आई कुड आई हाव ए कप ऑफ टी प्लीज मत गोटे चा मिल कि तेणु ये प्रश्नता करुचे पोलाइटनेस टी अधिका आपर आज आमर चैप्टर राउंड सरी एंड वी हैव ऑलरेडी read about the request chapter साधारणतः इंटरोगेटिव सेंटेंस टा यूज कले भल हुए सो दैट वी हैव टू यूज द इंटरोगेटिव सेंटेंसेस एट द टाइम ऑफ requesting somebody. It will be more effective for us. And last class I have I had said that I am a human being. I am not a single person. I am two persons. You are just see me as a person, and inside me there is a soul which we call Atma. Is just over our body. Means when Atma will go away, then we will declare as a dead body. Our body will be dead. So that we should respect their soul, and their soul always gives you good advices, and we have to obey the advices of our soul. If we will obey that advices, then no problem will come to our life, and we will be able to solve our life in a better way. So that always remind that a soul is in our body, and he is just like our God, so that we always remember that thing. Namaskar. Thank you.